Have you ever wondered why Philadelphia is such a great place to visit? Well, hold on to your curiosity because today we're unraveling the charm of this city of brotherly love. Firstly, Philadelphia is home to an array of world-class attractions. The Liberty Bell, an iconic symbol of American independence, is a must-see. Its crack and inscription encapsulate the spirit of freedom that pulses through Philadelphia. Next up, the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Even before you enter, you'll be in awe of the grandiose rocky steps. But inside, you'll find an impressive collection of art pieces that span continents and centuries. A treat for the eyes and the soul. Then there's the Reading Terminal Market, an absolute haven for food lovers. From Philly cheesesteaks to Pennsylvania Dutch treats, the market is a melting pot of flavors, mirroring the city's diverse culture. Now, let's not forget the Fairmount Park, one of the largest urban park systems in the country. It's a green oasis in the city, and it offers a myriad of recreational activities, from hiking to horseback riding. But what makes Philadelphia truly special isn't just its attractions, but the city's spirit. The vibrant arts scene, the rich history, the diverse food culture, and the friendly locals all contribute to the city's unique charm. Visiting Philadelphia is an all-year-round affair, but the autumn months from September to November offer the best weather with mild temperatures and beautiful fall foliage. As for what to wear, layers are key. The city's weather can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to dress in layers. As for cost, a week's visit to Philadelphia can average around $1,000 to $1,500, depending on the choice of accommodation, food, and activities. So in summary, Philadelphia is a city that's rich in history, culture, and culinary delights. With its world-class attractions like the Liberty Bell, the Philadelphia Museum of Art, the Reading Terminal Market, and the Fairmount Park, every visit promises a new discovery. It's a city that's not just to be seen, but to be experienced. So, if you've been wondering why Philadelphia is such a great place to visit, the answer is simple. It's a city that has something for everyone. From history buffs to foodies, from nature lovers to art enthusiasts, Philadelphia is a city that welcomes all with open arms.